What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We are in a new project here. It's day 1.5, we'll call it, because we were here, we demoed the existing deck, and now it's really the first day where we've got all hands on deck. We're gonna be building this thing, starting to frame. We have Goliathtech showing up soon to get our helical piles in. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned.
This will be Josh's stair world. They need to be all back here.
Josh's stair world. I love it.
Put them here.
Okay.
They're all on the pile up front.
So like I said, it's day 1.5 here, and we don't even have the footings installed yet, but we're cutting stringers because we already know our stair detail, right, bud?
Yeah.
What's our rise?
7.5.
What's our run?
10.
Boom. Because all the stairs are gonna land on top of a patio, I can dictate that grade when we get to it. So we can just pick a denomination of 7.5 inches for our rise, and we can build these, and then we'll have, Catherine, why are you laughing? The glasses? Is it the glasses? Okay.
They're ridiculous.
They are ridiculous.
They're absolutely ridiculous.
Ann said I look like Jared Leto.
Kinda.
Leave your best comment about these sunglasses in the comments. But anyway, because we're dying on top of a patio, we can dictate the grade a little bit. So we picked the closest denomination of 7.5 inches. So we have a total of 8 risers going into the house. We'll have them all built. So once the frame's there, pop them right up. Whoop, we're good to go. Right? Mm-hmm.
This is Josh's stair world.
So Tom, those are the walls for our fascia boards, our wall skirts. So that you have the longer and the short ones. Just keep them flush on one end and just nail them up, and that's pretty much it. Got a lot to build.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
So you factored in the double border on both sides.
Yeah.
22 feet.
Yes.
11 feet to our center.
Yeah.
And you want to now what's the layout?
The thing we're trying to figure out right now, it's 24 feet wide. We have a double border going on both sides, and then we have a roughly 6-foot accent strip through the middle that's going to be a herringbone. So we have 16-foot field boards. We're going to cut those in half. So the horizontals on both sides on the outside of our 6-foot wide inlay, we need to make sure that we can cut a 16-footer in half and we're going to have enough space. So what I'm thinking is we just do the inlay, the herringbone is 6 feet. We're just gonna have a kaya border on the outside of that.
Kind of single.
Just single.
Border. Okay.
That'll be
5.5.
5.5. So we're pretty much gaining 5.5 inches on both sides.
Okay.
Isn't it weird that they call them apartments, but they're all together?
But you wanted me to go through the whole come in an inch?
Yeah, we'll have to come in 2 inches
2 inches.
for the fascia and the overhang. Your back's 2 feet tall. You're 1.5 feet wide. And yeah, you're about 12 inches deep.
Measure his height and then have people guess how tall he is.
There you go. All right, for a
giveaway t-shirt.
yeah, free t-shirt giveaway. Well, if I show, then I'll do it this way.
Yeah.
With boots.
And they're gonna have to guess to the 16th. So then, very specific.
Don't say the number out loud, Sean. Whisper it in my ear.
I'll bleep it out, don't worry. So everybody, guess how tall Anthony is, and closest, you gotta get down to the 16th, and the closest is gonna win a t-shirt of your choosing. You can reach out, we got a couple different t-shirts, and we'll send you one, free of charge. Marking out our footings here. Goliathtech is here. We're gonna bang them in there, and then we'll start framing. So there's the outside ones, and then there's just one in the center of each one. So that should be pretty easy.
Don't teach me how to use this.
Why?
I don't want to yet. Oh, wait, where's this my GoPro?
Yeah.
Okay.
Footings are almost done, and then what's time for?
Framing day.
Framing day, day 1, baby.
Day 1.5.
Day 1.5, yeah.
I'm gonna take control of this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with you guys, but I'm gonna try to have you ride.
You already feel like a pro. Look how you're holding it. Yeah.
I'm already like, because it's a GoPro. Let's go. Everybody knows we have a mobile command center now. It's kind of good and bad. Good, Sean and Catherine can get work done. Bad, that means I have to do this. I don't want to do this, but I'm going to try my best. So we're framing today. Look what we got. We got a deck. So we're moving, we're cruising here. Scooter's cutting our snap lines. Me and him squared this puppy up, got it nice. It's within about a 1/4 inch. Maybe 3/8, but I'm happy with it. Hopefully at the end of the day, we can get the lower deck frame, which is behind me roughly. I don't know. And we'll go from there. Check back.
Bye.
Great job yesterday.
Try my best.
That was really good. So we got the upper deck all framed out. You can see we have some blocking here, here, and on the ends. We'll get into more about why that is there once we get to decking, and you'll see that come together. You can see we've got a 24x16 up top, and then we're gonna come down and we have a 16x16 on the bottom. Scooter got our footings all set.
Yep.
So they're all set to the same height.
What do you want?
Hey, bud.
Hi.
Hi, Catherine.
Hi.
I think it's time to formally introduce yourself.
I'm Catherine.
What are you doing here? Just give us a rundown.
I am Premier's Swiss Army knife. I do some carpentry. I do some van work. You can find me on site or in the mobile command center. I'm pointing, it's over there. Yeah, I've been a carpenter for like 45 years.
On the marketing team at Red Bull, financial analyst or something at commercial real estate.
Yes, I work in
something
commercial real
fancy,
estate.
corporate America.
I
Also,
left my corporate job to join Premier.
how are you enjoying your time so far?
I love it.
Wow.
I'm so team Premier.
And tell everyone, watch the podcast.
Listen to the podcast.
Listen to the podcast.
Or watch it on YouTube. You can watch it on YouTube, listen to it wherever you find your podcasts.
So what's our podcast called?
Our podcast is called The Hardworking Happy Hour.
What else have we launched?
Our merch store. Check out our merch. Honestly, in
Down
this
in the
YouTube video, just like look down a little, you'll see a bar, or you can go to the link that will be in the bio, find our merch store, listen to our podcast.
And lock it in for justice
Lock
for
it
yourself.
in for justice.
All right, I'll show you guys a vantage point of how we set LVLs. Here we go. First, Tom and I are gonna lift this up. We're gonna set it on these blocks right here. That's gonna be like a resting spot. Once they're up there, I'll pull a ladder close and we'll throw it up top. Hopefully we don't drop it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Alright, now we go up. Can you...
Yep. All right, bring it to me. Good. 1, 2. All right. You got a hand on it?
I got it, yeah.
Keep your hand on it. So I'll throw this little 2x6 here so it can't rack. Safety, I guess. Give me that piece. Other side. Oh, that's it. 1, 2. Thumbs up.
Oh,
A 2x12 is going on the end.
yeah. Tom, introduce yourself to everybody.
What's up, everybody?
There you go, that's Tom. Well, that's pretty much it for this vlog. Hey, great job on the footage.
Try my best, people. Let me know in the comments below. What do I need? You need more charisma? You need more this? You need more that?
We need you to be just more
Just
yourself.
Just be myself.
We got beams up in the air for this pergola. Whew. Goliathtech footings, ProWood lumber all over this pressure treated deck frame. And next vlog we're gonna get into laying the decking, and we have that really cool herringbone detail running down the center. So we'll touch on some of the framing details that we did once we get to that point. But make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.